What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be going over Optimism. I'm going to be talking about some technicals with Optimism and some of the new stuff that Optimism is starting to do, some of the new spaces that Optimism is starting to enter. So definitely stick around to the end of the video, hit the like button and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next, so long as it's not a scam coin. And also, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. This video is brought to you by me, myself, and I. That's marsellis.beatstars.com. If you need background music for your YouTube videos, or if you just need beats for your music, I got you. And anyways, let's get started with the video. So the first thing I want to talk about here with baby, or not baby doge, I almost said baby doge because I always talk about baby doge. But look, first thing that we got here with Optimism, though, we are literally bouncing off of this support here. So this is pretty nice that we're bouncing off of this support with Optimism. And it kind of looks like we're actually about to start going up here to this resistance. So this resistance is going to start bringing us up to 40 or 54 cents. So yeah, I know you don't want to see 40 cents right now. We just came off those 40-cent supports. No one wants to see 40 cents. But we do have some support here at 48 cents for Optimism. So we definitely don't want to see it go back down there. But we got to be realistic. If we break down below this resistance, like if we cannot stay above this resistance, right? If we do not get past this resistance, if we do not break past it, you're going to see Optimism going from this 54-cent resistance all the way back down to about 48 cents again. And the reason why I started up here at the 54-cent resistance, because you can actually see it. It's slowly but surely going up there. Now, the oscillator just now did have some buying here, but the selling pressure, it looks like there's about to be some selling starting to go on here with Optimism. So you could actually see here on the oscillator, a little bit of a green wave is coming up, which indicates that we're probably about to have a little bit of a sell-off like that. And then we may actually have some more buying that brings us up here to that 54-cent resistance. So that's really what we need to try to get up to. Like I said, maybe we go back down just a little bit. Maybe we try to retest our support, but then we could come back here again and try to retest this resistance. And if we can get past that resistance, the next area where you'll see Optimism going up to would be this next resistance area for Optimism. And that is all the way up here at about 62 cents, 63 cents, give or take. So around 62.9 or 63 cents, that's where our next resistance for Optimism is, immediately after our 54-cent resistance. So the red areas, again, supply and demand of less demand. Whenever we get to these red areas, it shows that we have less demand inside of our demand. And then on top of that, our green areas, supply and demand of more demand. So typically our red areas is our resistance. So what we're going to see next, after this 63-cent resistance here, you're going to see Optimism pretty much going over here and then getting stopped here at 70 cents. This is if we can even break past all these resistance levels, right? If we do not break past all of them, we have to look at what happens for our support. We have to look at what happens on the downside. I like to go over both the bear scenario and the bullish scenario, but I always like to show you the bullish scenario first. But the bear scenario, we always got to keep that in mind, because the whole crypto market right now is going down. Optimism down 6.2% for the last 24 hours. Anything can happen. So if we start becoming bullish still, like how we are right now, then you're going to see Optimism break down below the support. And if we break down below the support with Optimism, the next support area after we go down below our 47-cent support, we're going to end up seeing it go down to this one over here. Now, this support is at 40 cents, but this is at 0.408. And then on the bottom half of it is at 0.397. So it's at 39 cents. It's around the mid-range of 39 cents. That's where our bottom support is going to be after that. Now, like I said, this video is just going to be, some technicals. This is really all I got for the technicals, because we can't really do a long-term, a long-term outlook on Optimism, because it hasn't been out for too long. So even if you want to look at the long-term chart, the 4-hour chart, you really aren't going to see too much information about where we're going to be going next. So we can't really show you for that. But if I were to look at the long-term chart and show you the oscillator here, it is showing that selling is actually about to start coming. Because as you can see, after these waves start to form down, after these purchasing waves, red waves start to form up. And those are the selling waves. So now that you see this wave started to go up, and now this wave is going down, which indicates selling is actually about to start happening. So we may actually see the bear scenario for Optimism happen over the bullish scenario. And this is just in the short term. You may just see it go down just for a little bit longer. But yeah, we're definitely going to have to probably hit this 47 cents again and possibly even go below that support. So you definitely want to get ready for that. I think Optimism long term is definitely a bullish project, but for right now, it's definitely looking a little bearish. And anyways, all the cryptos are looking bearish right now. So it's not just Optimism. Like I showed you, each and every single crypto here is bearish right now. So we may be continuing to go down. But if we do break out into an uptrend, just know it's probably a bull trap for all the cryptos, and then we'll probably go down from there. But anyways, Optimism is getting inside of some new areas inside of this GameFi space. They're inside of this GameFi space now with this project Dragonia, and then we got over here Optimism government talking about the meme contest. So now they're also getting into the meme space. So this is definitely good that we have a meme competition and we're in the GameFi space. We need to take over every single space. We need to take over NFTs. We need to take over the metaverse. Literally everything. If we can do this, the DeFi space, if we can do all of this, you're going to see Optimism becoming one of the top projects out there. And literally, for a project that has just now launched to literally be up here with the greats, I think Optimism is doing a very good job. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. Big shout out to all the members of the channel. And also, this video is brought to you today by Marsellis.beatstars.com. So if you need background music for your YouTube videos or you just need beats for your music, I got you. And also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.